So guys, good morning. This is the Fire Prevention of Bureau of Fire Protection, Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. Today is March 1, the celebration of Fire Prevention Month. In the morning is starting the mass, guys. Hindi makuha. Tulong.
By preventing people to fall into fires of hell. Kaya dito na sa kalibutan, ginagawa na sila na mahulog sa subong sa impyerno. Minsan, ganun na pare, basically that means so that people will go to heaven.
Tulog tayo.
Perish. That's why part of your profession, you also reach the welfare of your family. When you are in duty, you are doing That's why what makes us really great may not be the material things that we accumulated. People are being given trophy because they achieve
Nata-offering ko.
greatness through sports. They're being given crown
Katulong konopan. Mera.
dash gifts because they won in beauty pageant. They're being given honor because they passed their exams. Or they are completed with the
Matatag-atag siya.
monumental projects mentored by
Oo.
people and
Ika.
marker is being put to the wall as a sign of appreciation and gratitude.
Harap na mo daw.
What makes us really great may not be all these external awards. The first thing
Kaday. Smadal YouTube.
greatness
Oo.
is because man is created according to the image and likeness of God.
Bawarin nga ito.
He is being blessed with intellect in order to know and understand and in order to make decisions. He is being blessed by free will so that he can decide what is wrong and what is right. He can discern God's will. He is being blessed with the gift of stewardship.
Napailaw sa
He is being entrusted with resources in this world that he may use them in the service of the common good. We are called stewards of God's gifts, stewards of life. And the fourth gift that is being mentioned here is man is blessed with the capacity, with the vocation to love.
Ito bangko pa ito siya,
All
Ro?
our achievements
Ito siya, dilibot. Ito bangko, tigol.
Even something public buildings, if you don't know how to love, you don't know how to care for people, you don't know how to offer your life in service to others, or whatever for God, you are really missing the whole point. It all means nothing. For only when we offer our